You are welcome to this part where we are going to talk about Crowdin cat tool. How do we use Crowdin cat tool? It's good to keep in mind that Crowdin cat tool, as you can see the name here, Crowdin is an online cat tool too, meaning that we need to have an account. And usually the company is going to create an account and then they will send us the information to log in. Usually they create an account, as you can see here. They have sent the information here. This is the email they use to create the account. And then that is the password, as you can see here, that we are going to use. And usually you don't do that directly. The company using Crowdin will do that for you. And then they will now, when you are logging in, since it's a Gmail account here, you also need to receive some verification codes from the company as you are trying to log in to use Crowdin. You just need to be in contact with them so that as you are moving on, they will send you the codes to enter. And finally, now you'll be able to log in to the account. And once you are through, you will move now to this stage. Once you have entered the information they sent to you and enter the code they send, this is what appears, and these are the different jobs the company is working on or has already worked on. You don't need to bother about this because what matters is the job they are currently sending to you so that you can use Crowdin to do that. To do so, you just need to go back to the message they sent to you and they will send you another link, as you can see here. They will give you the instruction here. They say you need to copy or you need to click on this link into your browser right now, and then you will land directly to the job. You just need to follow that instruction, and then once you are through with the translation, they tell you that you need to inform them through email or Gmail, depending how you communicate with them. Once you are ready, once you are through with the file, you just need to let them know. And that this is what we had. Then when I click on that link, this is what I have here. The link now, the second link, when I click on it, it takes me directly to the job. As you can see, these are the different segments. The first segment appears there, and under you can see some proposal. I copy this one. Let's go and translate in our dictionary together. I paste it here, then I copy it from Reverso Dictionary. Let me copy it. Then I go back to the editor view of Crowdin so that I can do some proofreading. Let me paste it here, and then it's loading. I need now to do some proofreading. Let's proofread it together. As I'm proofreading, if I check now everything is okay, I need to click now on save at the corner as you see. Click on save so that your work can be saved in the Crowdin editor view. And you see up there the progression, 5% in this case. Once you confirm a segment, it takes you straight to the next segment. You do the same. Under you see some proposals are given there. If not, you can still go copy and go to your dictionary. But to make things easy, we can just look under to see, is there any one of the proposals from their translation memory that is nearer to the source segment? If yes, you click on it. See, and then you can now do some proofreading work there. That is how easy it is. Always make sure you check the translation memory under, as usually they have some formal jobs that are stored there, and then they can give you some nice proposal. You just need to make some proofreading directly in the Crowdin editor view, and this will save you a lot of time. If not, that is when you'll be forced to go now and do some serious translation in your online dictionary. Like this one, I need now to make correction of that word. And once I check that everything is okay, I click on save. Always remember to click on save, please. Check under the proposal of the next segment. You see the one that is more appropriate, you double click on it. And check your progression up there to make sure that you are moving really on well. And that's just how easy it is to use Crowdin. Make sure that they are going to create an account for you and they will help you in the process of logging in They will give you instruction. If there are some codes needed, they will help you. Thank you for paying attention.